Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WeChat history using a tool called WeChat Recovery, which works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, you need to export your WeChat history from your phone to your computer. If you're using an iPhone, you can follow the video guide linked on the WeChat Recovery website to export your chat history. For Android phones, export the data micro.msg folder and the resource micro.msg folder to your computer. If you use WeChat on Windows, there's also a guide to export messages directly from the app. Once your chat history is on the computer, open WeChat Recovery. Choose your WeChat type, set the data path to where you exported your files, and click Read Data. The software will scan the folder and show all the WeChat IDs available. Click on the account you want to view and tap View Chat History. If you want to recover messages you accidentally deleted, go to File and then select Recover Deleted Messages. The software will scan the exported data for deleted blocks. Keep in mind that deleted data isn't removed immediately. It can only be overwritten when new messages come in. If it hasn't been overwritten, the deleted chat can be fully recovered. You can also export your chat history as an HTML file, so you can view it later without opening the software. Just go to File, then Export, select contact whose chats you want to save, and follow the prompts. This method works for text messages, voice messages, pictures, and other media, making it a reliable way to recover lost WeChat conversations. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more WeChat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.